this is just going to be a detailed close-up look at this item. And these are just batteries I purchased. They work really well. I use them on my Nest smoke alarm, and I don't even know how many years it lasts. It lasts a really long time. What's nice is it's a 25-year shelf life, and they last a long time, and they don't leak. So I keep them stored, and I never get a bad battery when I'm using these. They're really expensive. That's the only issue, but they work really well. It's a bunch of these, and this is what you get. And I guess you get what you pay for, but they work really well. They're very long lasting. I wouldn't use them on toys or anything, but maybe cameras or something that you need for a long life. I've been very fortunate to get. When I first purchased these, I was skeptical, but now I'm pretty happy with them. So I have no complaints about them at all. So this is how they look. They're pretty light batteries, lighter than the other ones when I'm just going by my hand. And you know what, let's do a weight test as well. I mean, I'll just weigh it. I think they're lighter. They feel lighter. These are AA ones. Let me get a AA battery. And this one. Let me weigh this one. Hold on, let me zero out the scale. All right, 0.4. This is a regular Energizer one. Yeah, it's heavier. And you can feel the weight difference. AA battery. So that was a close-up look at the actual battery itself. AA. I am very happy with them. They work. Once I put them into the smoke alarm, it's such a long time before I'm notified. I couldn't even keep track because I think I get a long time out of them. I don't even know. It might be a year or two. Wow, it's a long time since I changed those batteries and I had to buy new ones. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.